Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add different type of transition effect in between two or more different video clips. So without any further delay, let's start it. For better understanding the transition effect, we add three different images and add a video file in timeline. Let's play this clip now. Look. There is no transition effect in between these two images, and for this reason it looks really boring. To make it interesting, we add transition effect. Now if you want to add transition effect in between two images, then simply hit on this transition tab. And here you see different type of categories. If I expand this all folder, here you see different type of transition effect available in our Vegas Pro 15 software. Let's say if you select cross effect, here you see under cross effect different type of transition effect are available. If you hover over the mouse any of these thumbnail, then you can see the preview. Let's say if you want to use this transition effect, which is called cross zoom A only, then simply click and drag it in between two images. And here you see we can edit this transition effect. Under effect, in this drop down menu, by default it is choose zoom. You can select pixelated or blur. And apply to, I choose both, and fade dense, set it 1. Also in this effect settings, you can increase max zoom, source and destination. This time I just close this one, and if I zoom this timeline a little bit more, here you see we successfully add a cross effect in our video clip. Now let's play this clip. Awesome, right? Let's add another transition effect in between these two images. This time I select barn door category and choose the default one and simply click and drag it in between two images. Orientation I set vertical and direction I choose in. Now I close this one and let's play this clip. Pretty cool, right? Now if you want to increase this transition time, then process is pretty simple. I just zoom this timeline a little bit. Basically this is our transition effect, this little white box, barn door. If you hover over the mouse, in the end portion of this transition effect, you will see this. Then simply click and drag it to the left to make it more faster. Makes sense, huh? Now let's say if you want to change this transition effect, then process is pretty simple. Simply select your transition effect, right click on this, and under transition, simply select change to other. Now let's say this time I choose Vegas Flash. I just click on this and hit on add and click OK. And under this preset drop down, here you see different type of presets are available. Let's use this hard flash preset. Now I close this one. Now let's play this clip. Pretty cool, right? Let's add another transition effect in between this picture and video. This time I choose this Easter wipe category of transition and select this one. I just simply click and drag it right here and close this one. Let's play this clip. Awesome, right? Now what happens if you want to remove this transition effect? Actually, process is pretty simple. Just simply select your transition and right click on it and select transition properties. And then select this star wipe transition effect and then click on this little icon, remove selected plugin. I just remove this one and select my video clip and drag it to the right and set the audio right here. So in this way we can easily remove any type of transition effect. Now let's add another quick transition, which is actually the basic one of Vegas Pro software. From Project Media tab, I select this video and drag it in timeline. Now let's play this clip.
Here are my
No transition effect in between these two video clips. Now to add transition effect, default transition effect in between these two video clips, simply click the second one and drag it to the left like this. Alright, here you see a little cross line. Let's play this clip.
Here are my garage.
Got it, right? Let's make it slower.
Here in my garage, just bought this.
Smooth transition. Also, you can split and delete unwanted portion from your video and add a different transition effect in two clips. Go to transition and add any of these transition effect in your video clip.
Knowledge, 1,000 new books that I bought. Knowledge, 1,000 new books that I bought.
Awesome, right? So this is basically the use of transition effect in Vegas Pro. I recommend you to go around with these different transition effects and use it and customize them for better understanding. Thank you so much for watching.